Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about the respiration for 10th class students, 10th biology, second chapter. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the respiration. Okay, already you have studied in previous classes about the respiration. The basic definition for respiration is inhale and exhale. Inhale means the air which we take into our body is called inhale, and exhale, the air which we leave out from our body is called exhale. You know the basic definition for the respiration. Today I am going to give you the brief definition for the respiration. Actually, what is respiration? Okay, respiration happens through nose and we leaves through nose and mouth. Okay, generally here we have to come to know that what is respiration. Okay, what is respiration? The process of breaking down food molecules and releasing energy. The process of breaking down food molecules and releasing energy is called respiration. But there is a lot of process. Simply I am saying the definition, but there is a lot of process in the respiration. Here we come to know that actually what happens, what are the steps involved in respiration. Okay, you know what are our respiratory organs? We have respiratory organs are called lungs. Lungs are the respiratory organs in human body. We have two lungs. One is left side of the body, one is right side of the body. Okay, we have two lungs. One is left side of the body, one is right side of the body. Here we have to know that where is your heart located in your body. Okay, generally we can say that heart is located left side of the body. Is it perfect? Yes, exactly. It is slightly located towards the left side of the lung. So this left side of the body gives some space for heart. So left lung is little small when we compare with right lung. Listen here. When we compare two lungs, left lung is little small when we compare with right lungs. What is the reason behind that? Heart is located to the left side of the body. So slightly little small. Which one? Left lung is little small. Here we come to know, okay, we'll come to again respiration. What is respiration? The process of breaking down food molecule and releasing energy is called respiration. Okay, when we take the food, how this food goes to be break down, how it goes to be digested. Okay, breakdown of food molecule. Ante manam tinna food breakdown ainapude energy will be releases. That energy we utilize in our daily work. When you walk, you need energy. When you talk, you need energy. Every time you need energy. So that's what energy is compulsory for us. So that's what we have to take the food. That food have to break down. How that food are going to break down? By the process of respiration. Okay, by the process of respiration. Now I am going to explain about how the food goes to be break down in our body. There are some steps in. Okay, first when we take the breath, okay, lungs are increasing the size. When we take the air, lungs are increasing the size. First, the basic step starts from the nose. We have nostrils, two nostrils we have. The two nostrils will take air. Okay, after second step, where that air is going, gases exchange at lungs level. Now air enters into lungs. Okay, here what happens here? gas goes to be exchanged at lungs level. Lungs లో gas exchange అవుతుంది. How? Okay, how air will be, gas will be exchanged in lungs. Let's discuss on. Okay, now third step, gas transport by blood. Okay, for example, when we take the air from the mouth, it has to reach entire body. It has to reach entire body. How it is reaching to entire body? Here we have to discuss about the air. Air has to combine with blood. Air has to combine with blood. Blood is nothing but Hb, hemoglobin. Okay, okay, blood having the hemoglobin. Okay, air plus blood. Air plus blood. Air means here it is a oxygen. Oxygen. Blood means it is a hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. Okay, oxygen plus hemoglobin. Okay, generally what is the function of our heart? Heart supplies the blood to all the body parts. Heart supplies the blood to all the body parts. Here heart works like a pumping machine. Heart works like a pumping machine. Okay, when the blood reaches to the heart, it comes to blood comes to the lungs, and here oxygen and blood both goes to be mixed. This is the oxygen and this is the blood. These two are goes to be mixed in lungs. Okay, these two are goes to be mixed in a lungs. Then it will become as a oxyhemoglobin. Oxygen plus hemoglobin, it become as a oxyhemoglobin. Have you understood now? Okay, blood exchange. Okay, air exchange at blood level. Now blood is entered into heart by combining with oxygen. Now it is a oxyhemoglobin. Now heart pumps the blood to the all the body parts. Heart pumps the blood to the all the body parts. Okay, when we comes to know about the body parts, now gases exchange at tissue level. Okay, tissue level. We have tissues. These all are the tissues. Okay, gases exchange at tissue level. Later gases exchange at cells level. We call cellular respiration. Cellular respiration. Okay, when the oxyhemoglobin, okay, here I told you that oxygen plus hemoglobin, these two combines together we can call oxyhemoglobin. Oxyhemoglobin. This oxyhemoglobin is now reached to the all cells. Okay, these cells contains food molecules. The cells contains food molecules. Okay, that food molecule have to break. For example, this is a cell. There will be some food molecules are present in a cell. Okay, food molecules are present in a cell in the form of ATP. In the form of ATP. Food molecules are present in the cells in the form of ATP. This ATP molecule have to break. Okay, when this oxyhemoglobin is reaches to the cell, it starts breaking of ATP molecules. When this ATP molecule is breaks, energy will be released as not only energy. With this energy, when this ATP molecule is breaks, CO2 and H2O also releases in this process as a waste products, byproducts. This CO2 and H2O, carbon dioxide, oxygen also comes out from the cell as a waste product in the process of respiration. Respiration process లో ATP molecule, food molecule break అయినప్పుడు energy release అవుతుంది. ఆ పని జరిగేటప్పుడు ఏం రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది బయటకు? కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ప్లస్ H2O. దీస్ టూ విల్ బీ comes out as a byproducts, waste products. Okay, these have to send out, okay, blood. Heart sends the blood into all the body parts. Same way it receives to the heart, again it reaches to the lungs. The waste gas CO2 and water will be releases out through the nostrils. Taking air is oxygen and leaving air is carbon dioxide and water. Okay, when you blow the air from your mouth, how it is? How it is? It is the carbon dioxide and combination of water. Go to the mirror and start blowing the air. You can find the watery substance in the form of stream. In the form of stream, you can find the watery substance. Okay, here the steps which involves in the respiration. Now we have to discuss about the steps which involves in the respiration. First will comes to nostrils. Okay, steps which involves in the respiration is, first it comes to the nostrils. After nostrils it reaches to nasal cavity. I will explain you very interesting topic it is. Okay, nasal cavity. From the nasal cavity to air comes to the pharynx. Okay, air comes to pharynx. Next, after pharynx it comes to larynx. It comes to larynx. LARYNX. Okay, after that it reaches to the trachea. It reaches to the trachea. Trachea we can call vocal cords. Vocal cords. Swarapetika antaru Telugulo. Vocal cords. It reaches to the trachea. Trachea to bronchus. Trachea to bronchus. And bronchus to bronchioles. Bronchus to bronchioles. And bronchioles to blood. Okay, now I will explain about the air pathway. Let's see. Nostrils. Here this is called nostrils. Okay, nostrils. Blood air enters into the nostrils. First step. Second step, up after nostrils there is a nasal cavity. There is a nasal cavity. Second step is the nasal cavity. Always nasal cavity, when you keep your finger in the nose to test the nature of the nasal cavity, it is wet. Always it is wet. What is the use of that wet nature? When you take the hot air, when you take the hot air in summer days, when you take the hot air, it converts that hot air into normal air and sends to our lungs. If hot air directly sends to lungs, lungs are goes to be damaged. If cool air directly sends to the lungs, lungs are goes to be damaged. So that's what this nasal cavity wet nature converts the air into normal situation. Now third step, air enters into pharynx. Here we have the pharynx. This is the pharynx. Now the pharynx too, here we have to know epiglottis. EPIGLOTTS. Epiglottis plays an vital role in air pathway. Important role. Epiglottis plays an vital role in air pathway. How? Let's discuss. For example, we take food, we take air. Okay, when you take the air, it is reaches to the lungs, but it is not enters into the stomach. But when you take the food and water, it enters into your stomach. Okay, it enters into your belly. But here there is a two ways. One way to enter the air into lungs. Second one is passage to the stomach. Food has to be enter into stomach. Air have to reach to lungs. Air have to reach the lungs and food have to reach the stomach. So the epiglottis, which plays an vital role, it sends the air into air pathway and the food into food pathway. Food pathway finally reaches to stomach and air pathway finally reaches to the lungs. Epiglottis. After epiglottis, trachea. We have trachea here. Okay. Ocal cavity. Okay. Ocal cards we have. After that, this air reaches to bronchi. Okay, it is divided into two parts. One is into left lung, one is into right lung. Okay, this bronchi is divided into bronchioles. Bronchi is divided into bronchioles. Now the air is entered into bronchioles. Okay, how the air goes to be filtered here? Okay, here there are alveoli. Alveoles, we call alveoles filters the air in a lungs. Alveoles are in the form of like structure like sponge. Okay, sponge having tiny holes. Same that way, madam, you can finish. Okay, same way alveoles are goes to be filter the air. Okay, wait madam. Again, once I will tell you again. Air pathway. First air reaches to the nostrils, nostrils to nasal cavity to pharynx, pharynx to larynx, larynx to trachea, trachea to bronchi, bronchi to bronchioles, bronchioles to blood. Okay, tomorrow I am going to explain about these, and today's homework you have to, all the 10th class students have to draw this picture. Draw this picture is pathway of air. Pathway of air. Okay, pathway of air, this picture, and later after completion of that, everyone write the air pathway step by step and explain about these. Okay, write in your biology notebook. Thank you.